So Bolt.new just released some really awesome design upgrades to their engine. And I want to take this new opportunity that they've given to everybody, and I want to help my buddy No out. Now, No is a guy that is a very small founder, and he just about handles and takes care of this SaaS that he has like it's his baby. And this is Remotely.fm, and this is a high-end podcast studio that presents people with their own dedicated 4K local recording environment that works with guests. So this thing, in terms of quality and what it does, craps all over Riverside and Squadcast and all of the other opportunities that are meant for podcasting. So I can get into how that works another time, but basically, you don't have any audio drift issues with this platform. And no matter what your camera looks like on screen, at the end of it, you always have a super high resolution and steady camera feed for each participant in the interview. So it always looks good. And that's why I like this. It's like super dedicated just for this. And like it's almost impossible to break. So what I did is I went to remotely.fm, and you can see his landing page here is it's pretty straightforward. This is what we do great. This is how much it costs. That's it. And that's okay. I think we could do better. So I used my screen capture tool, and I essentially took a full page screenshot of this thing. And I'm just going to copy the image, and I'm going to come over to Bolt, and I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to say, this is remotely.fm. Remotely.fm is a high-end podcast recording studio. They have no audio drift issues and can record 4K natively, no problem. We want to make sure that we mention all of the features that are in this full page screenshot, and we also want to maybe ad lib a few pain points that it addresses. Remotely.fm is the only online recording solution that is easy to use, even for low-tech level people, that offers a solution to not have to worry about audio drift issue live sync recordings. It is by far the best choice and most reliable choice versus competitors like Riverside. We want to create a newer, modern, vivid landing page that matches the current colors, which appear to be... I have my palette tool. I don't know if I do. I don't think I do. No, I don't. I think this was the one that I was using. Holy fucking ads. Get out of here. No, we want this landing page to be for their SaaS. The new design needs to be modern, professional, uses dynamic lighting, animations, motion, bloom, glow, lighting, and can have some mild abstract elements such as vector shapes. We're going to stick closer to a traditional SaaS offering. Okay, these are just images. Okay, a copy image. Feel free to embed these images. They are going to be presented in the same order as the screenshot is. I just want the address. Image. Okay, we're going to come back. Current hero image, audio only image, scheduling image. Okay, that's it. We're just going to highlight copy all. This is the existing copy from the long landing page view, so you don't need to OCR it. SaaS offering while offering a modern Neo-Brutalist look that is popular with B2B professionals. Okay, so we're just going to go like that, and then we're just going to ship it. Okay, geometric abstract shapes and patterns as background elements, apparently. Okay, so what is this writing it in? Okay, so we're just going to go with Vite. I don't know how you say that. So this is just like one-shotted, right? Total one-shot is, we're just going to see what we get. Oh no, retry. Am I in the wrong account? Hold on, I think I am. Let me sign out, then sign back in. Sign in with GitHub. It's definitely recreated this whole page section by section. Like I can So it's literally maintained the same structure. Here comes the footer.
Boy.
Well, this looks good. Okay, we've got some element overlapping issues. This is a solid start, man. Wow. Okay, super solid. So let's rearrange the sections to match the menu order so it flows correctly. In addition, inside of the audio section and the video section and the schedule section, there appears to be floating elements stuck behind the images. Pricing section looks good. So I don't like how we just skipped the Neo-Brutalism part. So I keep a stash of UI tools. This one is one of my favorites. This is freesets.dev, and they've got a bunch of great inspirations here. They had a design style page at one point. I just need to find it. Just need to find which one I was looking at. Inspirations? Was it libraries? I wish he had a search tool. I think it might be on one of these. No, this isn't bad. This one's really cool, actually. Ooh. Hi. Good morning, sir. Good morning. No, sir. Go on. Okay, so I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to say, so let's make all the buttons match that kind of style. What I'll do is I'll find, here we go. This is a great example, actually. Neo-Brutalism.dev. Here we go. And what I'll do is I'll just go like this, and then I'll come back. Okay, image attached. I'm going to send that through. Dude, it's rewriting every section of the site. How many prompts have we put in? So we put in the one big one, and then it spit this out. Then we put in this one. So this is 2 prompts. Oh, that's really cool. I really like this. This is a lot better. I like this. This is so we're getting mixed. We're getting some mixed styling now. Okay, so I'm going to have to target this. Is there anything that holds all 3 of these? Okay. These are the buttons I'm referencing that are in the incorrect Z order. Okay. So it looks like it's going to go back and rewrite the 3 sections now where these buttons are. Very good. Very good. Much better. Oh, I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Okay, so we're going to tell it the show all features card in the buttons. The show all features buttons in the card is the same color, button and shadow. In addition, the button's round radius there, which doesn't match the other Neo-Brutal styles. Can you please fix? Let's see. Professional invites, effortless scheduling, resolution. Okay. In addition, the audio versus audio and video pricing cards, we need to add another checkbox feature to make the cards equal height. What? I canceled. No, I didn't. Oh, I hit the stop button. Okay. What happens when we target this? So I'm going to say there seems to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This card only has 5 entries. The audio only has 6. So we need to add a checkbox bullet to this list to make it appear symmetrical. Much better. Much, much better. Okay. So I like this. We need to introduce some more pop and wow. As you scroll the page, maybe some dynamic glow or some dynamic glowing of elements in addition to adding some kind of mild framer smooth animations. We're going to have to address that. I want to add a pain point section because I feel like this business could utilize that for better user adoption. What typical cloud recording studio apps give you problems with? Resolution limits, audio desync, camera quality, audio quality, horrible user experience, cluttered and confusing interface, harder for legacy workforce to adopt, limited, unflexible support. I'm sure you can think of some other creative ways to highlight more. So this is the really cool part about vibe coding design is that if you're less specific, the AI just does what it wants and just tries to close the gap in your interpretation, and it can produce some pretty cool stuff. But you have to be willing to not be specific. Okay, Faces look better now. This is a little weird. I need to give it a picture of this. Can you do better at making this text in area more even? The pain points cards look great, but can we change some of the design inside the cards? It's the same redundant design for each card, and it makes the section look odd. Ah, I like that. Okay. Okay. And now we got it. Okay. Okay. The blur to hover is fixed. Now we need to mix in some dark blue backgrounds into the cards. And can you make it so the colors mix and assign randomly and not just procedurally? That's super nice. All right, we just need to fix one thing. Anyway, so there you have it. A little bit of back and forth iteration. This is what it looks like now. This is what it looks like when we started. From that to this. That's a massive difference. We did that all within Bolt.